YouTube, today I'm gonna be with my friend and we will be reviewing the Mofang Jiaoshi mirror cube. So I got this cube a few days ago and just throw it away box. And it's like my first Moyu puzzle because it's a sub-brand of Moyu, I think, because on the bottom of the box it says Moyu. You can see it right there. So yeah. Also, if you've seen a few more of my reviews, you know that I do a solve of them, a time lapse of the cubes. But for this one, I'm not because it takes forever for me to solve. No. He asked if he could scramble it. So the first turns it was slightly bumpy. It was very smooth. Oh. There you go. And yeah, it's what you'd expect for Mofang Jiaoshi. So yeah, corner cutting, not much, but you wouldn't need this in a competition unless soon Mirror Blocks becomes a
popular
new event.
issue?
No, it already is popular. A new event, because then everyone would be on it. Okay, so let's see what my friend thinks of it. So just...
To me, this seems like a very complicated Rubik's Cube in the math and everything behind the scenes. Because literally, you have everything if you go like this, and then that's just like...
Yeah, if you don't know what a mirror cube is, it shapeshifts.
Like literally. It's literally a shapeshifter. Literally. And then next, I can turn it back into a cube. Like,
Yeah,
seriously?
That's the point of it. Don't.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll scoot back in. Again, showed his face. Okay, so overall, this was definitely worth it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the price. It was definitely worth the $6 or $7 it was worth. It was like $5.99 or $6.99. I think $5.99. I also got mine in silver, if you can't notice.
Wait,
also,
there's different colors?
Yes, there's also gold stickers.
Nice.
And also watermelons.
Huh. And the thing about this cube that it's probably the best, like you can peel the stickers all you want, but it ain't gonna solve it if you stick them in different places. That's probably the best thing about that. Like if you get angry.
What he's talking about is that you can't peel off this. He thinks that you can't just... Actually, you can peel the stickers off and put them in the same place.
But yeah. It's not going to solve it.
It's going to be a bit harder for those sticker peelers.
Yeah, because you're not going to solve it just like putting them in the right places.
Ever heard of Me, Myself, and Pi?
No.
Oh. Then... Okay, that's silence there. Okay, so... First turn, Larry said that. So, overall, I think this is great and perfect for beginner cubers who want to learn how to do non-WCA puzzles because it's a 3x3 and you only have to experiment around. And also, you know how I said I might not do the time-lapse thing at the end? Yeah, I'll try it. I'll try it. If I don't, then you may have been warned about that. So, yeah, I'll just end this part and go to the time lapse. See you. So as you can see, I solved it. I also did the center rotation, because that would mess with me. So yeah, that was it. Hope you all enjoyed.
See you later.
Goodbye. Also, if you saw something at the end where I was pointing to stuff to him, yeah, I was showing him about the center rotations. So, hope you all enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. And goodbye.
Stay tuned. And always look for more of those
and
videos.
Remember the weekend. Remember that relay. And let's see how fast we can get this time. So, goodbye.